A ball on a string is twirled with a linear speed of 10 meters per second in a horizontal circle with a diameter of 100 centimeters, such that the ball exerts a force of 50 newtons of force on the twirler's hand. Calculate the mass of the ball in grams. So we want to figure out what is the mass of this ball. We know that we have a centripetal force here equal to 50 newtons. And then we know that the speed of the ball, the linear speed, so the linear speed would be v right here, and it would be tangent to the circle. So I'm going to write t for tangent. That means that the velocity is perpendicular to the force vector. So we have velocity is equal to 10 meters per second. We're told that the diameter of the circle is equal to 100 centimeters. Now, the diameter is not what we're looking for. What we want is we want to know what the radius of the circle. So the radius of the circle, of course, is going to be half of that, and that's 50 centimeters. And we're going to convert that to meters, which would be 0.50 meters. And then we're told that the centripetal force is 50 newtons. So we can use Newton's second law, and here's Newton's second law in terms of circular motion. Centripetal force is equal to mass times the centripetal acceleration. That's the centripetal acceleration, v squared over r. So let's take that equation. Fc is equal to mv squared over r, and let's rearrange the variables. That'll be m is equal to Fc times r over v squared. So now let's plug and chug. Mass is going to be equal to 50.0 newtons times the radius, which is 0.50 meters, divided by 10 meters per second, and we're going to square that. So that's going to work out to 25 over 100, which is 0.25 kilograms. So the mass is 0.25 kilograms, and it asks you to report the answer in grams, so that converts to 250 grams. So that's the final answer.